This summer, Congress introduced the Preserving Patient Access to Home Infusion Act. The legislation provides technical clarifications, restoring Congress's original intent for the home infusion therapy services benefit in Medicare Part B, which will improve access to home infusion services for Medicare beneficiaries. Research has shown that 95% of patients dependent on IV medications prefer to be treated at home. Home infusion patients also have clinical outcomes that are as good or better than institutional settings. Home infusion patients are no more likely to experience adverse drug events or side effects, and an overwhelming 98% of patients are highly satisfied with their home infusion services. Home infusion services are particularly important to keep individuals out of institutional settings during the COVID-19 pandemic. When the home infusion therapy services benefit was implemented by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, they failed to recognize the time and effort put in by home infusion pharmacies and only provided benefit coverage with a provider's physical presence, rather than for each day medications were infused, which is standard among commercial payers. Because of this, only 25% of eligible pharmacy suppliers have enrolled to provide services under the benefit. Between 2014 and 2018, home infusion provider participation decreased by 52%. And despite a growing Medicare age population, beneficiary utilization declined 25% in the same period. The home infusion pharmacy is responsible for patients around the clock. The Preserving Patient Access to Home Infusion Act will ensure Medicare compensates pharmacies for the extensive home infusion services they provide, increasing access for Medicare beneficiaries. These changes are also expected to save money for the Medicare program. The Congressional Budget Office has consistently concluded that enhanced patient access to home infusion will create savings for Medicare. Join us in supporting the Preserving Patient Access to Home Infusion Act. Visit nhia.org/act.